Hello there, everybody on YouTube and subscribers and Disney and Pixar fans. And today I'm going to unbox these three of the Inside Out 2 collectible minifigures and see what it is. So before I open these three, let's just show the back. That way it'll show all the characters from the sequel. Over here, there's joy, fear, anger, Lance, embarrassment. There's disgust, Bluefy, anxiety, sadness, envy, deep dark secret, and ennui. So what I'm going to do is to open these three to see if I get a different character. So let's open this one. I wonder what it is. Oh, cool. It's Envy from the sequel. So I'll put her over here. And here's the second one. This one has already been opened. So that way, so it's easy for the unboxing. I wonder what it is. Ooh, what's this? It's embarrassment. He's very cool and one of the most hilarious characters in the entire movie. And here's one more box. Let's see if I get a different one. I hope it's joy, anxiety, anger, or sadness, or maybe disgust. It could be any character, or maybe deep dark secret. Might be the most rare character. Wow! It's anger. Very cool. So that's what's inside of these three boxes. So I got anger, embarrassment, and envy. So yeah, that's really cool. So anyways, guys, what's your favorite characters from the movie Inside Out and Inside Out 2? Let me know what you think. So anyways, thank you for the support and 578 subscribers. I really appreciate that. So anyways, thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe and give a big thumbs up. That would help me. This will help out a lot. So anyways, thanks for watching, and bye for now.